Before you skip this video, take a close look at your old coin collection. A tiny 1989 German 1 Pfennig coin that once had almost no purchasing power is now catching the attention of collectors worldwide. Could this small piece of history be worth far more than you think? Let's find out. Hey guys! Welcome back to Bullion and Beyond. Today we are exploring a fascinating coin that many collectors overlook but that has attracted growing interest among coin enthusiasts around the world. The coin featured in today's video is the 1989 German 1 Pfennig coin with the F mint mark from Stuttgart in West Germany, also known as the Federal Republic of Germany. At first glance, this tiny copper-plated coin may appear ordinary and insignificant. Millions of similar coins once circulated through shops, markets, banks and businesses across Germany. However, experienced collectors know that some small denomination coins can become highly desirable because of their historical importance, mint mark rarity, exceptional condition and collector demand. That is why many people continue searching through old collections, coin jars, estate holdings and inherited coin albums, hoping to discover valuable examples hidden in plain sight. The story of the German 1 Pfennig coin is deeply connected to the remarkable economic recovery of West Germany after the Second World War. During the decades that followed, Germany rebuilt its economy and established one of the strongest currencies in Europe. The Deutsche Mark became a symbol of stability, strength and prosperity. The 1 Pfennig coin represented the smallest circulating denomination within this monetary system. Although its purchasing power was modest, it played an important role in everyday transactions for millions of citizens. Every supermarket purchase, every bakery visit, every public transportation fare and countless other transactions involved these small coins. As a result, the 1 Pfennig became one of the most recognized pieces of German currency during the second half of the 20th century. The 1989 issue is especially interesting because it was produced during a historic period in German and European history. The year 1989 is remembered worldwide as a year of transformation and political change. It was the year when the Berlin Wall fell and events unfolded that would eventually lead to the reunification of Germany. Coins struck during this period carry historical significance because they represent the final years of West Germany as a separate nation before reunification. For many collectors, this historical context adds a powerful emotional and educational dimension to the coin. One of the most important details on this coin is the mint mark FE. Germany used several different mint facilities to produce circulating coinage. The letter F indicates that the coin was struck at the Stuttgart Mint. Other German mint marks included A for Berlin, D for Munich, G for Karlsruhe and J for Hamburg. Collectors often seek complete sets containing examples from every mint facility. Because mintages varied among the different mints, some mint marks can become more difficult to locate in high grades than others. This creates additional interest and demand within the numismatic community. The obverse design of the coin displays the denomination 1 Pfennig along with the year 1989. The design is simple, clean and functional, reflecting the practical philosophy of German coinage. The reverse features an oak seedling design. This image symbolizes growth, renewal, strength and the future. The oak tree has long been associated with German culture and national identity. Even on such a small coin, the design conveys a meaningful message. Collectors appreciate the artistic balance achieved by the designers who transformed a low-denomination circulation coin into a piece of miniature art. The coin was struck using steel coated with copper. This composition helped reduce production costs while maintaining an attractive appearance. When freshly minted, the coin displayed a bright reddish copper color. Over time, many examples developed darker tones due to circulation and environmental exposure. Collectors often pay premium prices for specimens that retain original mint luster and attractive surfaces. Condition remains one of the most important factors in determining value. A heavily circulated coin may be worth only a modest amount, while an uncirculated specimen preserved for decades can command significantly higher prices. Coin grading plays a crucial role when evaluating a 1989 F mint mark 1 Pfennig coin. Professional grading services examine factors such as wear, luster, strike quality, surface preservation and eye appeal. Coins that receive high mint state grades are especially sought after. Even tiny differences in preservation can dramatically influence market value. Collectors carefully inspect the lettering, date, mint mark and design details to determine whether a coin qualifies for premium status. The highest graded examples are often pursued by advanced collectors who seek the finest known specimens available. Many viewers may wonder whether a 1989 F1 Pfennig coin could really be worth $100. The answer depends on several factors including condition, rarity, certification, and collector demand. Most circulated examples trade for modest amounts. However, exceptional uncirculated pieces with strong eye appeal and professional certification may achieve substantially higher prices. Certain coins preserved in extraordinary condition become competitive targets for registry-set collectors. These collectors strive to assemble the highest quality collections possible and are often willing to pay strong premiums for top examples. Another factor that influences value is population rarity. A coin may have been produced in large numbers yet remain difficult to locate in pristine condition decades later. Many coins entered circulation immediately after production and experienced years of handling. Scratches, contact marks, discoloration, and wear gradually reduced the number of surviving high-quality examples. As a result, the finest surviving specimens become increasingly desirable as collector interest grows. The global coin collecting hobby has expanded dramatically through online marketplaces, auctions, social media communities, and educational channels. Collectors from different countries can now buy, sell, and study coins with unprecedented ease. This increased visibility has brought renewed attention to historic European coinage, including West German Pfennig coins. Many younger collectors are discovering these pieces for the first time and learning about the history they represent. This growing audience contributes to ongoing demand for attractive examples. When examining a 1989 F1 Pfennig coin, it is important to look carefully for details that may increase desirability. Strong original color, minimal marks, sharp design elements, and attractive overall appearance can all contribute to higher collector interest. Proper storage is equally important. Coins should be protected from moisture, fingerprints, and environmental contaminants. Collectors often use coin holders, capsules, or archival quality storage materials to preserve condition for future generations. The historical significance of this coin extends beyond its monetary value. It serves as a tangible connection to a transformative era in European history. Every coin represents a witness to the events of its time. This small Pfennig may have circulated during the final months before German reunification. It may have passed through the hands of students, workers, shopkeepers, travelers, and families who experienced one of the most important periods of modern European history. Holding such a coin provides a direct connection to that remarkable chapter of the past. For collectors, the appeal of the 1989 F1 Pfennig lies in the combination of history, affordability, artistry, and the possibility of discovering high-grade examples. It demonstrates that valuable and interesting collectibles do not always have to be made from silver or gold. Sometimes the most fascinating stories are found in the smallest and most overlooked pieces of pocket change. That is one reason why coin collecting remains such a rewarding hobby. Every coin has a story, and every collection reflects a journey of discovery. As we continue this exploration of the 1989 F mint-marked German 1 Pfennig coin, we will examine its production history, collector demand, grading considerations, market performance, and long-term appeal within the numismatic community. Stay with us because the details ahead may help you identify hidden treasures within your own collection and better understand why this small coin continues to capture the attention of collectors around the world.